everyone, I'm Simit from Kai Academy, and today I'm going to talk about how to change your Instagram theme. It's spring cleaning season, and this year we're cleaning up more than our closets. If you've been scrolling through your Instagram profile feeling a little uninspired, it might be time to change your theme on Instagram. An Instagram theme change takes some planning and foresight. Whether you're planning to change the dominant color or filter of your photos, or you want to completely reimagine your content, it will take a well-executed transition and a clear new direction to avoid losing followers. Today we're talking about how to change your theme on Instagram, do's and don'ts, the essential tools, the best methods, and how to get your theme scheduled and ready to post. You can change your Instagram theme without losing that beautiful feed you planned so carefully, as long as you follow a few guidelines. At first, plan your new theme in advance and prepare a full 9 grid of daily content to post after your transition to push the old theme down. But don't change your theme randomly with no plan and no new content lined up. And don't pick a theme that doesn't match your typical content color or styles unless you're changing everything. And from an idea to a spotless new 9 grid, there's only 5 simple steps. But before we get started, let's think about your goal with your new Instagram theme. Are you making a gradual change with the season so your feed feels current? Are you changing your theme to highlight a specific campaign, product, or content shift? Are you switching to a new way of editing photos, or are you just looking to mix up your Instagram color theme? Establishing why you're changing your theme will help you figure out the best way to transition and communicate the shift to your followers. For example, a gradual season change should feel seamless to your followers the way real season changes do. But a pivot to highlight a piece of content or a brand shift should draw attention. You'll want your followers to notice the change right away. Step 1. Choose your new Instagram feed colors. The first step to changing your Instagram theme is choosing your new color palette. Having your new colors in mind will help you decide the best way to transition. In this example, at Ella Labelle, switch from a film-inspired, washed-out color palette to a pinker, brighter palette. As you can see, and she was able to slowly incorporate film photos with more and more pink to ease the transition to her final theme. And step 2. Decide how you're going to transition your Instagram feed theme. After you've picked your color palette, it's time to plan the in-between. Whether you want a transition that signals to your followers that you're changing the theme, or you want a more seamless and gradual transition, planning ahead of time will make sure the right effect comes across. And there are some methods and these ones are favored for transition your theme. Method 1. Use Instagram theme dividers. Instagram theme dividers are a row of 3 photos that show up in your Instagram feed between themes, giving a stark contrast between when your old theme ended and the new one began. The dividers can be 3 white images, a photo split into 3 images, or any other set of images that are set apart from the rest of your feed. You can find Instagram theme dividers by searching #themedivider on Instagram or Pinterest, or you can make your own with an app like Photo Split for Instagram. A theme divider is the best method if your new theme is very different than the old theme, or if you're trying to draw attention to a particular campaign or event. And you can see an example here. And method 2. Change your Instagram theme with a bridge photo. A bridge photo is the first photo you post when you start a theme change. It has colors from your old theme and your new theme, so it connects the two and makes the change look seamless. In this example, Kaylin Weyer has a primarily orange theme, but she uses a few bridge photos with blue and orange featured prominently. These photos allow her to sprinkle in photos that are predominantly blue, like her photos of the ocean, without them looking wonky and out of place in her feed. And method 3. Blend in your new Instagram color theme gradually. If you want the least disruption to your feed, you can do a gradual change to a new theme. And this method takes the most foresight and planning your Instagram grid, but it can lead to a satisfying scroll through your feed. A gradual change works well for slight shifts in a theme, like changing your theme along with the seasons, or for a change in filter. In this example, at Design Love Fast moved from a pastel pink color palette to a brighter and bluer palette by slowly posting images with more colors. And she transitions from pink to multicolor before landing in a blue theme. And step 3. Gather the tools you need to change your Instagram theme. Before you start the change, you'll want to get all your ducks in a row. First, you'll need a 9-grid planning app like Tailwind for Instagram, and this will help you see what your feed will look like when you add new photos, so you can try out different methods for changing your Instagram theme and see what looks best. Then, depending on how you decide to transition your theme, you might need a few more tools like new presets or color filters, and apps to edit your photos in your new style, and theme dividers or a photo splitting app. And step 4. Plan out content for your new feed theme in advance. Along with those tools, you'll need your content at the ready. Before you start changing your theme, you want to have at least 9 photos or videos prepared. Why? You want your new theme can come to life quickly. Posting a photo from your new theme every day will push your old feed out of the way faster, and your followers will see your new grid take shape. And plus, the transition will be less obvious as it gets buried by new photos. Tailwind's scheduling tool is the perfect place to get your photos, captions, and hashtags ready to go as you're planning content. And step 5. Post your new Instagram feed theme to Instagram. It is time. Launch your new theme by scheduling your theme transition and new 9-grid in Tailwind for Instagram. With Tailwind, you can see how your photos will look in the feed, and you can also prepare captions and hashtags and schedule your posts. Our Smart Schedule tool will automatically post photos at the best time of the day, and this gives you more exposure with less guesswork. Your new feed will be scheduled in no time, then you can sit back and watch it take shape. I think that's it for now. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.